With the Omicron variant taking hold around the globe, Taiwan may shorten the wait time for people to receive their COVID booster shots. Boosters are currently offered to healthy adults 18 and older 5 months after their second dose. The wait may soon be shortened to 28 days for adults who need to go abroad for work reasons. The CECC's advisory panel will convene on Thursday to decide on the measure. What won't be on the meeting agenda is any adjustment to quarantine rules. The CECC says its 7-day hotel quarantine policy for international arrivals will be kept in place for now.
1月底，这1个月都是炸弹期。
就是要看境外有没有守住。
Omicron is sweeping the globe, and Taiwan has not been spared from the impact. Already, several members of the national karate team have tested positive for the variant after returning from a competition in Kazakhstan. Some health experts have urged the government to shorten the interval between second doses and boosters.
如果有必要的时候。
If it's necessary, such as if the person has to travel abroad or is going to high-risk areas due to work, we may consider allowing booster shots just 28 days after the second dose is administered. We should also identify priority groups for fourth doses.
Though there are plans to administer boosters faster, the CECC says it's not considering any changes to Taiwan's quarantine measures. Recently, a public health expert conducted a simulation to test the effectiveness of current measures, considering the number of asymptomatic cases and arrivals to Taiwan. In his simulation, the current system was able to prevent Omicron from entering the community.
如果今天
This works if people respect and follow the testing and self-health management rules. If that's the case, with the current data and frequent testing protocols, we can predict that there shouldn't be any large-scale cluster infections caused by Omicron.
Meanwhile, a study from South Africa has found that patients who recover from an Omicron infection end up developing more immunity to Delta. Some experts have even referred to Omicron as a booster shot for the world.
已经有免疫力的人在
When people who already have immunity get infected with Omicron, in most cases it results in just mild symptoms. For them, the infection is almost like a booster shot. People who were previously infected or who got vaccinated and then infected by Omicron will have higher levels of immunity, I believe.
The former NTU doctor says that if more variants arise, they may lead to breakthrough infections or repeat infections, but they may also be less pathogenic and less likely to cause severe symptoms. If that's the case, he said, then there's hope that the pandemic will soon reach its end.